Whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready. Can we surrender?
All right, buddy. That's home no more. We're going to the ranch. Meet Bullet's new little brother. Look how cute he is. Little Tummers. Nice little Tummers. You're gonna have the best life ever. In case you're wondering, he is a red heeler. I went with Winchester off the rip, but now I'm kind of conflicted. So y'all let me know in the comments what you think I should name him, because Winchester's a type of ammo and his brother's name is Bullet, so they kind of go together. But y'all let me know and stay tuned for the meeting of him and Bullet.